Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert a PDF file into landscape to portrait using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your PDF file, this is my PDF file and this is landscape size, and click this file option and select here print option and choose here portrait option and select here all of this page and select here printer portrait. Now simply click print option, save desktop. Our PDF file already converted into portrait PDF file, and click this arrow icon and select here paste thumbnail and click right button and click here rotate option and select here all page rotate clockwise and click OK. These are pages already converted landscape to portrait. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.